Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and in today's video for Pepe, I want to give you guys my personal worst case scenario for Pepe. And as I talk you through this, I want you guys to be aware of the fact that I believe altcoin season is still ahead of us. I believe that Pepe coin has a ton of upside in this bull market, but let's talk about the potential risks that we are facing for downside for Pepe coin as we approach these beautiful moments that we've all been waiting for so long. The reality of the situation is there are some people that bought into Pepe back in February or March of 2024, and they are either slightly up on their investment or they are just about flat even. And if you were unfortunate enough to buy Pepe in December of 2024, you are currently down. Now, if you were buying in the bear market, you made a lot of good money on Pepe. If you were buying it in March, you're calm to flat right now. You got more discounts. But if you bought in December, you're probably like, what do I do with this bag? Is there more downside? Should I DCA into this thing, or should I wait for lower prices? Well, that's the beauty of DCAing in, is you kind of just pick something that you believe in and you dollar cost average over time. And then eventually when the beautiful moments happen, upward momentum, you can make money, take some profits. So let's talk through the worst case scenario so people can get an idea of what kind of discounts they can expect to see out of Pepe, which is already on a big discount. So let's get into it, guys. Welcome back. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel for more content, and let's get right into this. Looking at the Pepe versus Bitcoin chart. Take a peek at this really quick. Sorry, guys. I'm a little sick. I had to blow my nose. I apologize. We are right now looking at Pepe versus Bitcoin chart, and it is coming down quite a bit. If you look at where it was at back in December of 2024, guys, you are going to see that it is currently down 55% from where it was valued versus Bitcoin back in December. And if you look at where it's at right now, it's up a little bit from that low. At its worst case scenario, it was at 62% to the downside. But I do want to give my first kind of warning on this. Pepe did actually break below this and this level. So it kind of made a lower low versus Bitcoin. So my first worst case scenario for Pepe is Pepe versus Bitcoin. Well, what if it continues to tumble down? You might see it test. I think my worst case scenario is right about here at this wick right here, possibly at these highs right there. And if we do see that happen, excuse me, I'm a little sick. If we do see that happen, then what we will see is a 48% retracement for Pepe coin versus Bitcoin from here. That would be pretty rough. Is that something that we could actually see happen? It is something we could actually see happen. Do I think we're going to see a drastic move like that for Pepe? I don't think we're going to, but I do want to acknowledge that it is possible. What we could also see is Bitcoin dominance continue to rally. And this could happen in a few ways. Maybe, perhaps, Bitcoin sells off and Bitcoin dominance rallies. Perhaps Bitcoin stays calm to flat around 100K and altcoins sell off. There's a lot of different ways that it can happen. Let's go over to the Pepe coin price versus the dollar and acknowledge that Pepe coin has already broken out of this wedge of sorts up here. And if you are technically measuring what its breakout case would be to the downside, it's a quite low level, guys. It would take us all the way back down to really scary low prices that people don't want to see. I don't think we're going to break down that low. Instead, what I do think is we're going to find potentially, maybe we find a floor here. I'm going to acknowledge that because I believe February is very potentially bullish. I lean bullish for February. I lean bullish overall, but again, I'm giving you guys kind of my worst case scenario for Pepe because I know some people want to hear that. Some people don't want to hear that, but some people need to hear that, and some people want to hear that. So this is a level where I'm not surprised we saw a little bit of a bounce. There was some chop here, so we came in, we did a little chop here. This is all kind of on the same plane right there. What we might see, though, is we might see Pepe coin come back down even a little bit lower and come test down to this level. Why? Because we've seen, some chop around this level where we have places where we resist and bounce and resist and bounce. You'll see so many little zones here. And so I wouldn't be surprised if we saw that. What would the price action be if we did see that? That would be a potential 30, 40% retracement from here. If you look at what that would mean since we were back in December, if you were buying in December, right now you are currently down 53% on your initial investment. If we do come down to the yellow line, that would bring you down 72% on your investment. Is that a real thing that could happen? Yes. That's the reality of crypto. Sometimes the volatility is brutal to the downside. Sometimes the volatility is absolutely spectacular to the upside. The reality of the fact is the people that got into Pepe coin over here, they have been taking profit along the way. And now there's been a lot of profit taking on some uncertainty surrounding the new tariffs in the US and waiting for some regulation to come out for crypto. We have a pro-crypto president. A lot of people are like, well, now this pro-crypto president is in office. Why aren't we exploding yet? Because we still haven't actually had the strategic reserve launch. We still haven't had the regulation come into place yet. We still haven't had any tax policies get passed regarding pro-crypto anti-tax stance, I guess you could say. So we still have some time to go. In the meantime, there's some uncertainty. There's some profit taking. Am I telling you guys that we're definitely coming down to these levels? No, I'm not saying that at all. I just wanted to give you guys my worst case scenario for Pepe because I think it needs to be acknowledged that things like that are possible. I lean bullish. I believe that we are at any moment going to see a massive breakout to the upside for Bitcoin, for the total market cap of crypto overall. Could that be in a day? It could. Could that be in a month or two? It could. That's the reality of the situation. So in the meantime, if you're holding Pepe and you bought it up here, but you like Pepe, but you're disappointed that it came down a lot, what you would hypothetically do is dollar cost average in. If you bought Pepe in March of 2024, you are basically only up, 20, 30% on your money. You're barely up. Maybe you're up 50%. Maybe you're up 2x. That's fine. If you believe Pepe, you could hold it. You could DCN to get some more. You could wait for it to dip. Maybe you want to get some more there. But I personally believe that Pepe coin is going to break through a $50 billion market cap. I think it could get to a $100 billion market cap in this cycle. If you get a 2, 3, 4, 5x on Pepe, it'd be excellent to take some profit. I think profit taking is one thing that you have to be doing. You have to be practicing profit taking, even if it's only a little bit of profit. So if you're up 50% on Pepe right now, you want to take a little profit and practice that a little bit, I encourage you to do so. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but everybody knows that profit is nice. And it's good to take profit because practice makes perfect. You got to practice taking profit so that when you actually do hit a 10x or a 20x, that you can actually know how to take profit at those levels as well. That's a reality of the situation. We could see some of those moves happen for Pepe. I am not convinced that we are going to be making that move, but it is my worst case scenario. My personal worst case scenario is looking at kind of this yellow line, saying that would be the lowest we could go, somewhere down in here. That is all I have for you in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel. If you want to trade Pepe coin for yourself, you could sign up for Blowfin using our link in the description down below, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up for Blowfin and a 15% discount on trading fees for life. If you're looking for a major exchange that you can go from your bank into crypto and out of crypto back to your bank very easily, crypto.com is also a great option, and we have a link for you on that one down below as well. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy crypto content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm a little sick. Sorry for that today. I got 2 videos for you right here, though. If you want to check them out, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.